Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these tamales de rajas con queso. So basically my mom and my sister are going to be showing you guys. I'm just going to be recording, so if you want to know how, keep watching. Alright, we're going to be making the tamales today. They have a lot of chiles, so we decided to do it out here, so we got the grill going. These are the chiles that we're going to be grilling. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Oh, they're already popping.
Procesando los chiles, chile poblano para los tamales con queso. Se tienen que tostar bien, que estén bien tostados. Y ya después los van a poner en una bolsa para que suden. Y luego ya los limpiamos bien limpiaditos.
Así se tienen que ver, a ver, te enseño otra vez. Wow.
Así tienen que estar.
Así tienen que estar. Y los van a echar en una bolsa.
Rostizados o asados, como gusten llamarlo.
That one right there in the corner. There. Yeah.
Hey, está bonito.
Bring it down. There you go. Okay. Okay. Go. Alright, so we have the chiles here in this bag, and then the cheese. This is the type of cheese that we got, but you can use other types of cheese, right? What kind of cheese can you use?
Asadero.
Puedes usar asadero. What else can you use? Oaxaca cheese. But this is the one we got, so this is the one we're going to use. Got this at Walmart. Show us what it looks like. Okay, then I start feeling it. Dang, I'm the expert. Erica. Okay, and then you can use to go like this. Yay, that's a perfect one. Yeah. Okay, so now show us how to cut. Alright, so now that she peeled the chile poblano, now she's going to be opening it up. She wants to make sure that she gets all the seeds out of the chile poblano. You don't want to leave any of the seeds. If you leave some, that's fine, but it's better if you take the seeds out. She did mention that it would probably be better if you use some gloves, just because this chile is really not that spicy. Sometimes it does end up being kind of spicy, but it really isn't. But after messing with it for a while, your hands are going to start to kind of burn. If you happen to touch your eyes, that's going to hurt. So just be careful. Here in a little bit, you'll see where she actually does go get some gloves, because we ended up finding some, and so she put those on. So basically all you want to do is cut it into strips, and then you can cut it again to cut it into smaller strips. Here she's showing you again how to do it. Basically, using your knife, you're going to be taking all the seeds off, and then you're going to be cutting them into strips. This is the chile that we like to use. I know I've seen some other videos where they use different types of green chile, but this is what we like to use, so you can use whatever type of chile that you would like to use. This is just what we use. Alright, so like I said before, we actually ended up finding some gloves, so she went ahead and put them on because she didn't want her hands to burn. And then after she cut all the chile, she put some salt and she mixed it well, just like this, so that we can get started with the tamales. And this is what it's going to look like. So good. Okay, so here you can see that we already have the masa ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and get started on showing you how to make the tamales. I didn't put how to make the masa in this video just because we have 2 other videos on my channel. So if you want to go and look at those, I will link them down below so that you can click on those and you can kind of see how we made the masa. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you look for the smooth side of the corn husk or the hoja, whatever. You have to make sure that you put it on the smooth side and not the rough side, because there's one of the sides is more rougher than the other one. You want to make sure you put it on the smooth side. Okay, so now what you're going to do is using your spoon, that is how we do it. You're going to spread some masa on there. You got to make sure that it's not too thick and not too thin. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add some of the chile poblano, just a little bit, just like this, but if you want to add some more, you can add some more, it's up to you. And then you're going to get some of the cheese, and you're going to put some of the cheese on the tamal as well. Again, like I said, this is the cheese that we liked to use at this time. I mean, you can use a different type of cheese, whatever, it's up to you, but this is how we made our tamales this day. And then basically you're going to close up your tamal just like this, and then to cook them, we're going to be putting them in this pot. We like to put our tamales just like this, but if there's a different way for you to put them, that is perfectly fine. But this is how my mom taught us, and so this is the way that we like to put our tamales. So the pot that we are using here is actually one of the smaller pots. It's not one of the bigger ones. So these tamales actually cooked in like an hour and a half, and so they were ready to go. But a good way to know if your tamal is ready is when you open it up and the masa doesn't stick to the corn husk. That means that it is ready to go and it is time to eat. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed learning about how to make tamales de rajas con queso. And if you enjoyed this video and you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a like, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!